guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So I am jumping right into the nail set. I already applied cuticle oil on my nails prior to adding this top coat, as I am creating a peel off base coat. I'm just not doing any prep because I recorded the Q&A video about a day or two ago, so I don't think it's necessary this time. Once I'm done applying, I am going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Once I have that on, I am going to size on my tips with some base coat, and I'm going to cure it in the lamp. I did trim and shape my nail tips off camera, but I am going to blend the tip with the nail using a sanding band. I'm going to follow up with that again with some base coat. I'm going to apply it on the entire nail, and I'm going to apply that on all of the nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So for the pointer finger, we are doing a marble. I am taking some clear polygel and some white polygel. I'm only adding a little. I feel like with marble, a little goes a long way. I'm basically applying beads all around the nail. After that, I am going to take a mixing tool and kind of marble the gel. I'm going to try not to mix it around too much because then it's just going to look cloudy instead of that marbled effect. Once I'm somewhat satisfied with how I did the marble, I am going to start patting in the polygel and start smoothing it out. At some point, I did feel like I needed to marble it around some more because it just looked kind of spaced out and it just didn't have the marble look that I was going for. So I ended up mixing it around again. Now it's time to add gold flakes. I got these flakes off of Michael's, so I'll try to link something in the description from Amazon that's affordable. So I am just gonna place some gold flakes scattered around the nail. After I'm done placing the flakes, I am going to encapsulate with some clear polygel. I kind of wish I put a layer of base gel at least just to protect the gold flakes, because they did end up moving around when I was trying to smooth out the polygel. For the index finger, I am doing a French ombre, so I am going to place a small bead of that green polygel, and I'm going to make sure that this layer is pretty thin, because when you are ombreing with polygel, it can get pretty thick because you're trying to blend both of the colors together. So I try to keep two of the colors as thin as possible so that when I encapsulate, the nail isn't too thick. place the butterfly decal, I did need a little bit of clear polygel as I don't have any rhinestone glue, so I'm using this as a substitute. So I'm going to place a very small bead of clear polygel on my index finger, and I'm going to take the decal and place that there. I'm also going to take these flower stickers. I cannot for the life of me figure out where these stickers came from. I'm assuming they must have came from a PR kit or one of the Polygel kits that I have. I'm not really too sure. I will do some digging and link something in the description. But I feel like the flowers for the original design were a lot cuter. After I'm done placing the stickers, I am going to place some top coat. I just didn't want them to move around as they were lifting a little bit. So here's how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I actually really love this set. I've been wanting to do this set ever since I saw it. I could not wait for spring to come around, and I'm looking forward to do more spring sets. I have a couple coming for you guys. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.